Here she comes. Here comes Mommy. Oh, yes. Once again, we're about to see why Mommy's always on top.
The following contest is a fatal four-way steel cage match. Making her way to the ring from Adelaide, Australia, Rhea Ripley.
It's always seemed like the writing was on the wall with Rhea Ripley. Greatness was destined to come her way. Ripley's size, athleticism, and killer instinct made her rise to the top, a foregone conclusion.
Easy to say that now, Wade, but Ripley overcame plenty of obstacles along the way. It's what made her the brutal competitor we see before us today.
Becoming Rhea Bloody Ripley, you mean? Yeah, it's true that Rhea has continued to level up her game in impressive and terrifying ways.
And now here she is, one of the most menacing competitors in all of WWE.
Mommy is about to be unleashed.
It's Zaria, ready to wreak apocalyptic destruction in the ring, and will probably be smiling the whole time.
From Adelaide, Australia,
there is always so much intensity plastered on the face of Zaria.
Yeah, that really doesn't fade no matter how deep she goes in a match.
And that's not to mention the amount of pain she brings too.
Zaria has certainly been on an impressive run. Cage door is locked, and we'll see who can emerge victorious here.
You know, things have really gotten heated when you agree to settle things inside the steel cage. There's no escape from your opponent. You just have to face them head on.
Check your face after that one. Hope it ended here. Lifts up the shoulder.
She's letting everyone know this will not be a quick one. And she narrowly...
She's looking at it early. But now we see Zaria. And she kicks out right away.
She wasted no time kicking out there.
Not the prettiest thing you'll ever see, but it sure looks effective from here. Corey, it kind of seems like the best way to win a fatal four-way would be to form an alliance. Would you agree?
Well, it'd have to be a strategically temporary alliance from both parties. That means you're just waiting to see who stabs who in the back first. So my general recommendation would still be to not trust anybody but yourself.
She gets taken into the corner. Needs to get out.
First a knife edge chop, and now continuing the attack on the knee.
Looks like a play to go after the legs now. Goes without saying, but a leg injury will hamper your ability to do just about anything.
Burying knees into the body.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind. These attacks taking their toll on her a little.
I really don't think she was planning on getting thrown around like this inside the steel cage. Oh!
Broken up with a fist to the face.
Oh, very effective takedown there. Carefully continuing that journey towards the top of the cage.
Oh, fellas, we are looking at a mounted thrashing here. All over the place.
Just going all out with every blow.
Strikes with the forearm.
Rhea looking to end this one right now. This will do it.
The prism trap is in.
Not a position you want to be in.
Will it get countered? Yes, not letting the submission attempt do any more damage here.
She put in the work. Now she's looking for the payoff.
She doesn't even get a count of one.
Late in the match, but somehow has the incomparable power to kick out before the one count.
Energy to make the climb up the cage.
Oh, no! From the top! They might be able to put this one away right here. But now we see Zaria.
Clubbing blow.
She counters it.
Stalking from above. Steps to one side, catches it.
Backbreaker. Might have her shoulders down.
Ending the 3 count.
Body catches them off guard. We have a pin. Shoulders are down. And she's just broken up that pin. But now we see Zaria.
Goes into the corner. Crushing impact in the corner. Hopes for a vertical suplex. It doesn't look like they're done yet. Letting all the blood rush to the opponent's head.
Now it's Zaria, shoulders down to secure the win. Kicks out before the 2 count.
She's in the deep end and somehow still able to kick out.
Ripcord drop kick.
Oh, look at the kick.
Oh, now she's looking to apply the pressure with this submission maneuver.
Remarkable power beam. And she puts an end to the submission hold.
A few more moments and we might have seen a tap.
Oh, it's coming. Uh-oh. Ooh, read that one.
suplex.
And she stonewalls Zaria. A rolling cutter. Cover on Zaria. This could end it. Intercepts the pin attempt. But now Ripley.
Big headbutt.
Gonna follow it up.
Razor's edge.
Looking to find more grip for the climb of the cage. Placing her in the corner here.
Oh, what a club.
Ooh, merciless looking blow.
And now she's scaling the steel cage wall.
Using the top rope to start the climb.
Trying to make their way out of the cage.
Oh, no!
Wait a minute, setting in. Devastating submission coming.
Lion Tamer! And breaking the hold here.
Dang, that was close. Just get lariat.
Rhea is lining up to finish this off.
Kick to the gut. Here it comes. Riptide.
Rhea has all the impetus.
Zaria's gonna set it up.
Oh,
Down with the F5.
is it enough to take on Ripley? Gotta be sure-footed. Climbing that cage.
I don't believe it. Incredible resilience on display.
A big opportunity falling through their fingers. You've got to continue fighting and hope your next big move is the last one.
And she is looking to get out of this cage once and for all.
Yeah, but now she has that long climb down. Crashing to the mat.
Gentlemen, we are witnessing...
Now let's take another look at one of the best fatal four-way matches we've seen in a long, long while.
Here is your winner, Paige!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. Or at least what's left of one.
Celebrating now, visiting the medical facility tomorrow.
We saw a tremendous amount of heart from all four of these women tonight.